Students, today we are going to start with our new chapter, and the chapter name is A Gift of Chappals. Right? Guess you heard it right, chappals, the slipper which we wear. Okay. So Mridu is a young girl growing up in Madras, now called Chennai, with Tappi, her grandmother, and Tata, her grandfather. One afternoon, Tappi takes her to her aunt Rukumani's house to meet her cousins Lalli, Ravi, and Meena. So, students, this chapter is basically divided into two parts. In the first part, basically talks about a girl whose name is Mridu. Okay, here whose name is Mridu, right? And she lives with her grandparents. That means Tappi and Tata. Tappi means grandmother and Tata means grandfather. In Tamil, they call Tappi grandmother and Tata grandfather. So, students, let's talk about this. Basically, Mridu lives with her grandparents. So one fine day, what happened? Mridu's grandmother asks and tells her that today we are going to her aunt's place, and the name of the aunt is Rukumani, and her aunt's name was Rukumani, right? And let's see, and the name of aunt, as I told you, Rukumani. So in the first part you will see how the cousin gets excited to see Mridu and share the secret with Mridu. This is what happened in the first part. So let's read chapter, students. First para. Are you ready? Finally, Rukumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out, and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take out my slipper, protested Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toes on the front part of each slipper. The mark for the two big toes were long and scrawny. So students, underline this word scrawny. Scrawny means scrawny. The meaning of scrawny means thin. The meaning of scrawny means thin. Right? So let's start, students. So students, before explaining the chapter, let me make it this characters very clear to you so that it will be very easy for you when I'll explain the chapter. So here first character Mridu. Mridu, okay, then Tappi and Tata. Okay, Mridu lives with her grandparents, right? And Lali, Ravi and Meena, they are cousins. Okay, they are cousins, right? Just imagine that you are visiting your cousin. What happened? Your cousin get excited to see you. Similarly here, Ravi got excited to see Mridu. So what Ravi did, do you know? He pulled Mridu, come, come, let's go. And Mridu said, why you are pushing me? Let me take out my slipper. So Mridu take off her slipper very neatly and keeps them aside. But while keeping her slipper, she noticed the black slipper there, and there was marks of toes was there. You can see marks. Can you see, students, marks? Marks of toes were there. It shows that the slipper were old and worn out, right? And the slipper you have to just remember, students. Don't forget, because the whole story will go around this. Okay. So as I explained, students, Mridu कहाँ गई थी? अपने कज़िन के यहाँ मिलने गई थी, एंड जैसे उनके कज़िन ने उनको देखा वो सारे बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गए थे. तो इतनी चीज़ें अभी आपको याद रखनी है. क्लियर? Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitter berry bush. There, inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. We found him inside the gate this morning. He was mewing, mewing, poor thing, said Meena. It's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. did not think about whose slipper. She just went inside because Ravi dragged her to the backyard. And Ravi dragged, that means pulled her. Ravi ने मृदु को खींचते हुए बैकयार्ड पे ले गया. So let's see what happened. Ravi and Mridu, Ravi and Meena. This is Ravi and this is Meena. Ravi and Meena, they both were very excited. Why they were very excited? Do you know? बहुत excited थे. Why they were very excited? Because there was one secret. And do you know what was the secret? The secret was this little cat. This little kitten was the secret. Okay, how poor kitten, how it's licking the milk. And do you know how these people, Ravi and Meena, they give milk to this poor cat? They give milk to this poor cat in half coconut shell. And after that, they were narrating the story. They were narrating the story that how these two people, they have brought this cat in this backyard. They told that, you know what, this poor cat, it was mewing and mewing, meow, meow. And just because of that, this poor little cat was mewing. So they have brought this little cat at the backyard. But don't say to anyone. Don't say to anyone. किसी से बोलना नहीं है. You know why? Because Pati will come to know. Because Amma said, Amma ने कहा है, if Pati come to know about our secret that we people have kept kitten at the backyard, what is going to be happen? Do you know? Pati will go to Paddu Mama's house. Pati Paddu Mama के घर चले जाएगी. Pati means grandmother. So Pati will go to Paddu Mama's house. So this is the top secret. This is the top secret among us. We are not going to share to anyone. Always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, "Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here," said Ravi. "Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her, I'm very hungry, I want to drink it. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Pati, Pati, I'll wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran." So this is the secret which they have shared. What happened further, you know? Ravi was sharing his problem, that how much trouble he is facing to keep this kitten here. Generally it happens with each and every person that our elders, they make us understand that we have to be kind to animals, we have to look after them. But you know what? When it comes to us and when we touch any stray animal, what happened next, do you know? Our parents, our elders, they just scold us and they just say to us not to touch this dirty creature. This was the first problem which Ravi was facing. And the next problem which Ravi was facing, that is what, do you know? Ravi was struggling to get milk for this kitten. Something happened one day with Ravi, do you know what? When he was in the kitchen, Ravi was in the kitchen. He went to the kitchen just for arranging milk for kitten. But poor Ravi, बेचारे poor Ravi के साथ कुछ हो गया. दादी came there, okay, and दादी saw him. दादी ने उसको देख लिया and दादी saw him suspiciously. उसने शक से देखा. So as दादी saw him, he said, "Dadi, I'm feeling hungry, that's why I'm taking milk." So Dadi said, "Okay, no problem at all. You just take the milk, how much you want, you just take it. But give me this glass back to me." So this was the problem which Ravi was facing. So क्या किया Ravi? Ravi was just pretending to take the milk, but the thing is that Dadi was standing there. वो ऐसा एक नाटक कर रहा था कि मिल्क पी रहा हूँ, बट दादी तो सामने खड़ी थी, तो उसको somehow he has to take the milk. When Dadi said ki you have to give this glass back, at that time he was in dilemma. He thought what to do. I have to give this glass back to my Dadi. So he said, Dadi, you no need to worry. I'll manage. I'll wash it myself, and what I'll do, I'll keep this glass where it's supposed to be. You don't worry. And he rushed outside and he just poured very little milk was there in the glass, so he poured milk into the half shell coconut. Okay, coconut shell was there, so he just poured into this coconut shell, and he washed the tumbler and put it back where it's supposed to be. And he, after that, he thought ki he has to do something for Mahendran. So see, he called, who is Mahendran here? Mahendran! This little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Verma Pallav Punai. MP Punai for short, if you like. He is a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur, like a lion's mane. And you know what? The emblem of the ancient Pallavas king was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu. Mridu giggled. So, students, underline the word here. Wait a minute, students. Underline the word given over here, and that is the first one is mane. So, here, students, mane, underline, mane given over here. The meaning of mane is a growth of long hair. What I said? A growth of long hair. जो animal में लंबे लंबे बाल उगते रहते हैं ना, that is called mane. So now next word is emblem. Emblem means symbolic object. प्रतीक जो होता है, symbolic object, right? Then another word is given over here, expectantly. Expectantly, that means with an excited feeling. What I said? With an excited feeling, right? So children, this is the first time this word has been used in this chapter. Now Mahendran, this little kitty name is Mahendran, and she was very surprised how this cute kitty name is Mahendran. Now Mridu, as I told you, Mridu बहुत surprised थी and she impressed also, and that this cute kitty name is Mahendran. And what happened next, do you know? Ravi wanted to say what is the reason behind keeping this name, and you will come to know further, students, that why he kept such name. Okay. And what Ravi said, do you know? Ravi said that his full name is Mahendra Verma Pallav Punai, and you can call this cat as, in short, you can call as MP Punai. So, you students, his short name was MP Punai. उसका शॉर्ट नेम क्या रखा गया था? MP Punai. Okay, so Ravi is very happy about the cat, and as we have something and we praise, similarly here Ravi praised his kitten. जब हमारे पास कोई चीज़ होता है और हम उसकी बहुत तारीफ़ करते हैं, तो here Ravi भी अपने cat की बहुत तारीफ़ करता था. Okay, now further you will see how Ravi was co-relating this kitten to Pallavas king. Pallavas king से वो compare कर रहा था अपने किसके? किटन की. एंड ही सेज, वो क्या कहता है, डू यू नो, दैट हिज कैट इज फाइन ब्रीड ऑफ कैट. एंड रवि वॉज कंपेयरिंग कैट्स हेयर, मेन वर्ड यूज देयर इन द सेंटेंस, स्टूडेंट्स, एंड दैट इज द लॉन्ग हेयर. ओके, so what he was comparing cat's hair with lion's hair. Okay, and Ravi also asked Mridu about the emblem, and he asked, वो पूछता है emblem के बारे में, of ancient Pallavas king. And when she heard, Mridu heard, she started giggling. And the meaning of giggling, student, laugh lightly. Thinking I'm joking. Well, just wait. I'll show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram, have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his, etc., etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descendant from that very same ancient cat, a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion, the Pallava's lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on walking around the bitter berry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi's cat, and if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. Ravi was serious and he mentioned students. What he mentioned, do you know? Have you ever been to Mahabalipuram? उसने बोला महाबलीपुरम तुम कभी गई हो? इट्स अ वेरी फनी दैट व्हेन ही सेज, एंड वो बहुत फनी लगता है, व्हेन ही सॉ द स्टैचू ऑफ हिज थाथास, इट मीन्स इट्स अ वेरी एंशियंट. उसने बोला कि उसने एक स्टैचू देखा है जो उसके थाथास मीन्स ग्रैंडफादर, उससे भी ग्रैंडफादर के समय का स्टैचूज़ है. एंड यू नो, fact it's Mahendran is a descendant from that very ancient cat, and this cat and Ravi is having the cat. वो cat इस cat का descendant है, right? That means what do you know, students? He was praising his cat again and again. Then he concluded that this cat is the descendant of Mahabalipuram Rishi's cat. And after that बोलता है कि वो ऋषि cat, महाबलीपुरम के जो ऋषिस के cat हैं उसका descendant है. This is all about, he says, about his cat. And what happened further, do you know? He says this cat is belong to ancient cat, and after that he said that this cat, my cat, is belong to ancient Egypt cat. How he was praising, students.